thunderstorm massively.
This is extremely powerful monster.
That's not good at all. Get that tip on it. That's a strong tornado.
I gotta get back by the door. Gang, no, please don't block my door.
I'm going to sit.
Oh my God.
Today's the 24th.
24th May 2011.
No, it's wedging out. Gang, we gotta stay with this thing.
What do you estimate?
You got like 2 minutes and then we're going.
What do you estimate the width, Roger?
I can't do that. You no idea. That's a violent tornado though, no doubt about it. That would be like F3, F4 intensity if it hits stuff. And it's hitting stuff, it's destroying stuff over there. Gang, let's go now, quick!